Hello friends, welcome back to True Tutorials. In last video we have seen first and second question of exercise 1.2. If you have not seen that video, please go and see that video. In this video we are going to see exercise 1.2 third question. What is the third question? Check whether 6n can end with the digit 0 for any number, any natural number n. He is saying that whether 6n will end with a 0, that means 10, that is this. Check whether 6n can end with the digit 0 for any natural number, 6n factors of 6n which should be ended with a, that is 10. Ending with 10 means at last you have to have ending with 0 means at last you have to have 0 in this. Okay, so how we'll find this? Let's see. Okay, so first of all, okay, for the number 6n to end with digit 0 for any natural number n, it should be divisible by 2 and 5. Okay, for the number 6n to end with digit 0 for any natural number, it should be divisible by 2 and 5. 2 means that the number which is given to you should have 2 and 5 as their factor. When it is divisible, that means it should have 2 and 5 as a factor. Okay, so what is the number given to us? Given number is equals to 6n. Let's see what are the factors of 6n. 2 into 3 only will getting 6. Okay, the prime factors here are, what are these prime factors of 6 is 2 and 3. Okay, I said you already, 2, if you want, if the digit you want to be ended with 0, it should have 2 and 5 as a factor, but we have 2 and 3 as a factor. Okay, so we can write the reason to be end with 0, 6n should have a prime factor 5. It is having prime factor 2, but it is not having 5. Therefore 6n cannot end with 0. Okay, same as it is, we are having one example. Consider a number 4n where n is a natural number. Check whether there is an value of n for which 4n ends with a digit 0. You can do this as homework. Practice this. It is the same. The factor of 4 is 2 into 2. Again we are not having 5 in this, so therefore 4n cannot end with the number, end with a digit 0. Okay, so next question will be seen, that is fourth one. What is given in the fourth question? Explain why 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 and 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5 are composite number. Before going to this question, first we will see what are the prime numbers and composite numbers. Once again I'll revise it. Prime numbers are the numbers which has one and number itself as a factor. Example you can take as 2, 3, 4 is not a prime number because it is having factor 1, again 2 is also a factor of 2, 4, and again 4 is also okay. So 5 is having only 1 as a factor and 5 itself, 7, so on, etc. Okay. Composite numbers are the numbers which has more than 2 factors are known as composite number. Okay. So in fourth question what he is saying that explain why this number, we have to explain that 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 and 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5 is a composite number. He is saying how you can prove these two are composite numbers. Okay, so we'll be taking the first number given numbers 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13. What you can do here is you can take 13 as common, left over will be 7 into 11 into 13, and here it is given as 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5. Here I can take 5 as common, only 5 is a common in this, so 7 into 6 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 will be 2 into 1 will be left over here. Okay, plus 1 also will be there, here also will be plus 1, sorry, here also plus 1, 7 into 11 into 13 into plus 1 will be left here. Okay, so you will get here, if you solve this you will be getting, let we will name it as k, and 5 into we will name it as L. Okay, so if you solve this you will get k value, you will be getting as 78 and L value you will be getting as, L is what, 7 into 6 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 1, that you will be getting as 1009. Okay, so you are having like this 13 into 78 and 5 into 1009. What we have said that composite numbers are the numbers which has more than 2 factors. Prime numbers are the numbers which has 1 and the number itself. But we are having products of this. Okay, means therefore what we can say, if it is multiplying, if you are able to divide this number into 2 equal halves and multiply it, that means you can say it is a composite number. Okay, what we can say, as the given numbers can be written as products of two numbers, they are composite. Okay, we can take the example. You cannot write 5. Can you write as multiple of two numbers? No. You can write 4 as multiple of two numbers, 2 into 2. So when you can write a number with two multiples, then that number will become a composite number. But for a prime number, you cannot write a number with two multiples of that. Okay, so that's why you can say we are having multiple of these two numbers. So that's why we are saying this all the given can be written in the product of two numbers we are writing. That's why this number is a composite number. As it is, we can see the next question which is given, that is fifth one. How will you show that 70 into 11 into 2 plus 70 into 11 into 5 is a composite number? Explain. How will you show that 17 into 11 into 2 plus 17 into 11 into 5 as a composite number? Same as it is question, you have to do what will be the common here. 17 into 11 you will be get common, and left over will be 2 plus 5. Okay, so you will get 17 into 11 and this will become 7. Okay, so 187 into 7 you will get. Here also we are having the product of two numbers. So same reason you can give here. Okay, as the given number can be written as products of two numbers, they are composite. Okay, so the last question we are going to see of this exercise is, how will you show that, sixth question, what is the last digit of 6 power 100? 6 power 100, what is the last digit? He is saying, not last number. There is a difference between number and digit. He is saying what is the last digit of 6 power 100? What is the last digit of this number? That is 3. He is also asking same, 6 power 100, last digit of 6 power 100. So we cannot find the 6 power 100 last digit. It will give a very big number, and it will take a full 1 hour to half an hour to find 6 power 100. You have to do 6 into 6 into 6 100 times. So what we'll do, we'll follow a pattern. Okay, so we know that 6 power 1 is what? 6. 6 square is what? 6 is 36. 6 power 3 is what? 6 cube is what? 6 into 6 into 6, that is 1216. 6 power 4 is what? 6 into 6 is 36. 6 into 6 is 36, that is 36 into 36 is 196. 6 power 5 is 6 into 6 into 6 into 6 into 6 into 6, 36 into 6, 1296 into 6 you can do. 6 is 36, 9 6 are 54, 55, 56, 57, 57, 6 2 are 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 6, 7. So you're getting 7, 7, 7, 6. Now in this pattern you can see that last number you are getting as 6. This is the pattern we are following. So therefore we can say by seeing this pattern, we can say that the last digit of 6 power 100 is also a 6. Okay, so this was the end of this exercise. So if you have any doubts related to this exercise or related to this any problem, please let me know in the comment box, and please support us We'll be doing every chapter all exercise wise problems, and share these videos with your friends so it may be helpful for them also who are in SSC. And like the video, okay, and hit the bell icon and subscribe our channel. And how was the video? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you.